When using NM cables, specifically NMB and conduit for physical protection, such as down a cement block wall in an unfinished basement to a switch or receptacle, the choice of connectors becomes important. You can use either compression box connectors or set screw connectors to terminate the NMB cable in the conduit. Let's delve into the characteristics of each type of connector. Compression box connectors generally provide a more secure connection than set screw connectors. This makes them a preferred choice in environments where moisture or corrosive elements are present, as they offer a tighter seal against ingress. However, installing compression connectors typically requires a special crimping tool to ensure proper and reliable connection. The crimping tool is essential for creating the necessary pressure to form a secure, gas-tight seal between the connector and the conduit. The installation process involves inserting the NMB cable into the connector, positioning the connector onto the conduit, and then using the crimping tool to compress the connector around the conduit, effectively locking the cable and connector in place. On the other hand, set screw connectors are known for their ease of installation. They do not require any specialized tools, such as a crimping tool. This can make them a more convenient option for quick installations or in situations where a crimping tool is not readily available. The installation process for set screw connectors involves inserting the NMB cable into the connector and then tightening the set screws to secure the connector to the conduit. The set screws grip the outer surface of the conduit, holding the connector in place. However, it's important to note that set screw connectors may not provide as secure connection as compression connectors in all applications. In situations where vibration or physical stress is a concern, compression connectors are generally preferred due to their superior holding power. When selecting the appropriate connector, it's crucial to consider the specific environmental conditions and the potential for physical stress on the connection. For wet or corrosive environments, compression connectors are the recommended choice due to their enhanced sealing capabilities. In dry, stable environments where ease of installation is a priority, set screw connectors may be a suitable option. It's important to always ensure that the chosen connector is properly listed and labeled for use with NMB cable and conduit. This ensures that the connector meets the required safety standards and is suitable for the intended application. Furthermore, it's crucial to follow all applicable electrical codes and regulations when installing NMB cable and connectors. The National Electrical Code, or NEC, provides comprehensive guidelines for safe and proper wiring practices. Consulting the NEC and adhering to its requirements is essential for ensuring the safety and reliability of the electrical installation. Now, regarding the question of whether there is such a thing as an NMC cable, the answer is no. There is no recognized cable type designated as NMC. The correct designation for NM cable is NMB. NMB cable is a non-metallic sheath cable commonly used for residential wiring and other low-voltage applications. It typically consists of 2 or 3 conductors, including a ground wire, wrapped in a non-metallic outer jacket. The B in NMB indicates that the cable has a temperature rating of 90 degrees Celsius, which is suitable for most residential wiring applications. It's important to always use the correct cable designation when specifying or installing NM cable to ensure that the appropriate cable type is used for the intended application. Using the wrong cable type can lead to safety hazards and code violations. In summary, when using an NMB cable and conduit for physical protection, you can use either compression box connectors or set screw connectors. Compression connectors offer a more secure connection and are recommended for wet or corrosive environments, while set screw connectors are easier to install but may not be as secure in all applications. There is no such thing as NMC cable, and the correct designation for NM cable is NMB. Always follow applicable electrical codes and regulations when installing NMB cable and connectors to ensure a safe and reliable electrical installation.